Hi guys, so just got an MK6 GTI here. Having a few issues. Just wondering if you guys could tell me maybe what's wrong. I've been to a few mechanics. Unfortunately, no one's been able to tell me what's wrong with the car. So basically on startup, I get this weird noise. And this noise, it goes away, say, when the car gets warm, say about water temperature will go to 70 degrees and oil temperature, 90 degrees and oil temperature will go to about 70. And then the noise is just gone. But I also have an issue while driving about where the car is missing, and it's missing at a specific throttle, so between 2 and 3,000 revs. And it's not like a call-pack miss or a spark plug miss. It's a weird miss. I'll film it for you guys just now. And I've been to a little bit of history on the car. The car has been I got it for over a year. I bought it at 112,000 Ks. And I put 3,000 on the clock, and then it broke, and since then it's just been in and out of the shop. It's gone for 3 full engine rebuilds. On the second one, I've gotten forged pistons. It melted those. On all 3 engine builds, it's melted the pistons. Some of the mods that the car's got, it used to have a Revo Stage 2 file. I've removed that now. It has a KO4 turbo, induction, downpipe, and R8 coils. That's about it.